Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet and this is me, Richard here. Yes, today we are looking at this question. What does it say? It says that a car is traveling at constant velocity of 100 kilometers per hour. The power delivered by the engine is given, and it says calculate the magnitude of friction force. How do we go about this? Okay, the best approach is to we have to remember that we have our power, which is 25 kilowatts. This one gives us 25,000 watts. Yes, what else do we know? We know velocity, which is 100 kilometer per hour, which is not SI units. So what do we do with it? We change it to meters per second by dividing it with 3.6. So with that information, what comes to our mind? You have power, you have velocity. So it means that this equation is paramount. Power is equal to FAV. So if we substitute for our power, which is that, and we don't know FA, but we know velocity, which is that. So with this information, it means that we have our applied force, which is FA is going to be 2,500 divided by 27.78. So that is that. Our applied force is 900 newtons. But you have to remember that the question is not looking for applied force. It is looking for friction force. So what do we do to get our friction force? The best approach is to go to our free body diagram. You have our body sitting on the ground. Suppose the body is traveling this side. So it means that you have this one as your applied force. And you have this one as your friction force. I can ignore other forces. These are the forces of concern. So what do we do under this circumstance? There is this part which is very important. It says constant velocity. So what does constant velocity mean? It means acceleration is zero. So if acceleration is zero, what does that mean? It means that F net from ma is equal to acceleration, mass times acceleration, will give you zero. So F net is zero. After that, what do we do? You can find F net in terms of force. Our F net is going to sum of forces where the body is going, which is Fa, minus sum of the forces where the body is coming from, which is Fk. So if you substitute for this one, remember F net is zero, and the Fa is known, and it's 900. Then Fk is wanted. So we can go ahead and find Fk. So from here, it's very apparent that Fk is equal to 900 newtons. Yes, that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to share, to like. We are simply the best. Bye bye.